Filmed in many months, but since COVID hit, but we're back at it. Life has been busy, even through COVID. We've been flipping a bunch of houses, trying to make Birmingham beautiful. We got an action-packed day today. We're gonna go to a few houses I'm buying and check on a few projects. This is Dodie. She is the realtor that I'm working with on this house. We're doing a walkthrough because we have a closing tomorrow at 9 o'clock. We're wearing our lovely mask.
We are COVID. We follow the COVID guidelines.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, and we're gonna go in and check it out. Cool? Dodie, thank you. We'll be back, okay?
Okay, I'll be
So, hey, this is normally what I do in a house like this. I try to open up the wall in between the family room and the kitchen when I can. So we're gonna obviously open up this wall, take it down, redo this whole kitchen, take the old Star Wars looking oven out of here. We're gonna do a nice custom kitchen, can lights, a nice island. Should open it up a good bit. We're gonna maybe move this carport door down to the left so it doesn't interfere with your car space in here. Okay, so going down to the basement. This is where most potential problems are, okay? This ceiling is so low, I don't know if I'm gonna try to put a room down here or not. So I don't see any major problems down here, no water issues, no structural problems. We're gonna move this ductwork to the attic so we'll have more headspace, especially for people like my height. So typically on a house like this, we should try to have it back on the market in 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks tops if the inspectors are lagging behind some. And this is Mount Brook, so it's not quite as easy getting inspections. So when the pandemic hit, I really didn't know what to expect. So we kind of took everything and kind of paused the buying for a few weeks, paused the filming, trying to decide, what route we should take with our business, if we should keep buying, keep flipping. Thankfully, everything kind of just, houses kept selling. So after about a month, I started buying again. We're here in Homewood at a Hoarder house. I'm with Ross. He's a project manager, my right-hand guy. We're gonna take a look at it real quick. So, I don't know if I would call this a hoarder house or just a nasty house, but this is a house that people were living in just last week. Cat food just poured out everywhere for the cats to eat. They haven't owned a vacuum or any kind of cleaning product in years. Sad, man, it's rough. We do get houses like this a lot. Not always where an older lady was living in it by herself. It's kind of sad, really. A lot of times, there's drugs involved and things like that. I don't think that's the case here. I just think it's just kind of maybe a, mental illness maybe. A lady that has had the house for many years. Her husband had recently died, and I think she just needed a fresh start, and I think that was her family's hope, is that her getting a fresh start would kind of change the way she lived. But yeah, just a lot of cats and a few dogs, and it's pretty rough. There's some structural problems, you can tell up there on the ceiling. This house is gonna need a couple of helical piers in the back corner because the back corner has dropped just a little bit, so it's caused some settling. So that's about $5 grand to fix. And then there is hardwoods under these carpets. This house will need to be rewired. Once it's demoed, we're gonna take some walls down, rewire it, new bathrooms. Is a half bath in there?
There's a door.
I'm pretty sure there's just one bath. This house should go pretty quick because it's so small. As long as we can get the subs here to do the electrical and all the rough-ins and the inspectors, we could get a house like this done in 4 or 5 weeks if everything went real smooth. But because a lot of the vendors are running slow because of COVID, you know, when we order windows and other things like that, it just, everything's taking a little longer right now. As long as the inspectors play ball with us and make it easy, that's probably the hope. It's probably 5 weeks maybe.
We've got to clean it up, get everything out of it, all the trash. A couple of dumpsters over here, some gloves, and good spirits.
Yes, some alcohol, some good spirits. Take this wall down and this wall down, and I think that'll kind of open it up some.
Yes.
A lot of these houses will have utility rooms off the carport, so we'll try to take this space and make it finished space on the inside. I'll be able to make the kitchen bigger and the dining room bigger, and it won't have that bump out after I do that. I probably will have to take it down mostly to the studs, especially with the fleas and the bugs and stuff. But the good thing about it is it's so small. I can, you know, put on a drywall, trim, and you know, everything on the interior will be pretty easy to do. So like most of them, I just see, you know, kind of gutting most of it, getting all the nasty out, all the old out, and redoing the inside as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, nice kitchen, kind of open concept in the kitchen and family room. You hungry? We're gonna get the first crew available out here to just empty the house out. Get it cleaned out, get all the carpet up, get everything nasty out of the house. And they're all troopers, man. They're all willing to do it. And that's really what makes this whole thing work, is all these guys willing to work.